Steaming hot Manchow soup. Steaming hot homemade Manchow soup. If somebody disagrees, so we have in this chicken, and we also have some shrimp or prawns. So let's go ahead and check out the recipe. That coriander is much needed. So for the manchow, we have with us some chicken shredded, we have some prawns, we have some green onions, we have some fresh red chilli, not spicy. This is optional. We also have ginger and garlic, which is chopped very fine. Of course, we have coriander. We also have an egg to beat up and put. We have, of course, dark soya sauce. We'll need a lot of that. We have with us white pepper, some more soya sauce is required. We have some salt. We have 2 finely chopped carrots, and we have 2 stalks of celery also, which I've finely chopped. And also, if you need some ajinomoto for the strength, you can put that too, but that's optional. So we also have the stock. We have chicken stock, and this is how our chicken stock looks. So let's begin preparing our soup. So our wok is hot. Let's add some oil. Okay. Alright, so our wok is hot, and the number one thing that goes in is the garlic and ginger, and to it also the white of the spring onion. Now this one really needs to fry well, or it can make the taste or break the taste if it's raw. So it needs to be fried thoroughly. Okay, in goes the red chili. This is not spicy, but more water content. And throughout the cooking process, we are going to have gas on high flame. In goes the raw prawns. We are going to add a tablespoon of soya sauce now, and maybe one later. Okay, let this fry. I'm going to add salt. We'll add a carrot and celery. This time I'm just going to add a little bit of MSG. Just a pinch, not more than that. We'll pour in all the chicken stock. I'm going to bring this to a boil. We're adding a tablespoon of soya sauce, and that's all you need. Time for some pepper. So our soup has begun to boil. At this stage, I'm adding the shredded chicken, a bowl of shredded chicken. I dropped in a teaspoon of soya in that. And there goes our egg. Let's give it a stir. This time I'm going to add chopped spring onions, and also the coriander, chopped coriander. Give it a stir again. And our soup is ready. We've added everything, and You can serve it right away, but I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. So just to give it a bit of thickness, nothing more. You can just avoid it. Our soup is ready. So friend, Manchow soup or a Manchow homemade soup is ready. I hope you like this video. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Until then, take care and goodbye.